it's Stephanie Hansen, and I'm getting ready for the Jason show, and I'm making another game day dip. And this one is going to be a buffalo chicken ranch. It's going to be so delicious. We're starting out again with 4 ounces of cream cheese because every good dip recipe starts with cream cheese, right? Then we are going to add a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and I'm just kind of eyeballing here. A 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. You can use the Hidden Valley. I happen to have made my own, so I'm going to use that up. I'm going to get that in there. This is my buttermilk tarragon ranch dressing recipe that you can find on stephaniesdish.com. Okay, so we've got our ranch in there. Now we're going to add a cup of hot sauce. A whole cup. It's going to be super delicious. Okay. Then we are going to add our black pepper, our garlic powder, and we're only going to use about a teaspoon. And then we are going to add our 2 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And what I did is I put those in the Instant Pot and got those all poached up. I think I'm going to give this a little zhuzh first, just so that it can start mixing before I put the chicken in, because I don't want the chicken to get too mixed up. So just a little pulse. Ooh, it looks like dressing in there. Ooh. All right, see it in there? Just give that. We've got one kind of hunk of cream cheese that I'm gonna have to get broken down here. Okay, so we're just gonna put this in here a little bit. And then I've got some green onions and the cheese. Let's just grab our green onions, just set that down there a minute. Poaching chicken in the Instant Pot is super easy. All you're gonna do is get your chicken breasts in there with 1 inch of water or broth you can use if you wanna flavor it. And then you just go for 10 minutes on manual and let it come to a natural release for about 5 minutes. And when you're done, you just shred them up with 2 forks, and super easy, super quick. Okay, we're just gonna pulse. We've got our chicken in there. We wanna keep a little texture on the chicken. We don't want it to be all ground up. But ooh, that is looking delicious. Now I'm gonna add my 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese and my 1.5 cups of cheddar. And I grated this by hand so that it melts perfectly. And we will give that a little zhuzh, and we'll get this into our skillet and get it into the oven. I'm just pulsing. Again, I don't want the chicken too browned up, but I want to get the cheese mixed in. Ooh, look at that. She looks perfect. I'm gonna get a pan. I'm running kind of late, so I'm quickly getting this put together. He's gonna love it. All right, so we're gonna get this into our skillet. I'm serving it in a cast iron skillet. You can use an 8 by 8 inch pan, 9 by 9 inch pan, whatever it is that you have that's handy. You can put it in a casserole dish too. You don't have to put it in a skillet. I just like the way it looks in a skillet. Looks all homey and rustic. Is what we're dealing with at this point. We've got it all pushed down into our skillet. I'm just gonna top it with a little bit more cheese so it gets all delicious and bubbly. Gonna add some scallions when it comes out of the oven. And I happen to have just a little bit more chicken here. And I'm just gonna throw that on the top here so that when it comes out, you can kind of see the chicken in there. That looks real nice. And then I'll hit it with just a little bit of sauce. Before I go on the Jason show, I'll cut up some fresh dill, I'll have some chives, and you can go in here with celery, you can go in here with tortilla chips. It's gonna be super delicious. Let's get it in the oven. We're gonna go in at 350, and we're gonna be in there for about 25-30 minutes until it gets all brown and bubbly. It's gonna be super delicious. You can find the recipe at stephaniesdish.com.